This little bird is the new Holland Honeyeater. Lots of them frequent my garden, eating insects and nectar from flowers. It's found in southern Australia. There are many flowers in my garden that attract these busy little birds. This one went into our hen house, probably in search of insects, and couldn't find its way out by evening, so it had to spend the night in there. In the morning, when I went in to see if it had gone out with the hens, it was sleeping in the nest box. I picked it up to bring it outside, then popped it into some plants in a pot, and it hopped away. It was extremely light in weight. It was not nervous at all. This spring, the veggie garden has sprung into life with the end of winter plants. There is little room to plant any spring vegetables. We eat rainbow chard and other leafy greens a few times a week, straight from the garden. The hollyhocks are growing enormous leaves and are all self-sown from some beautiful, tall burgundy ones that grew beside the hen house last year. The nettles have also grown well over winter. I harvest them and dry them in the dehydrator, then add them to soups, mixed vegetables and herbal teas for the rest of the year. The broad beans were slow to start this winter. Once they began flowering, there have been white and black spectacular flowers. We are hoping for a few broad beans next. Nasturtiums are easy to grow. You can eat the leaves, seeds and flowers in salads. They contain vitamin C. They have a peppery taste. There are many different varieties of lavender plants with different flowers. They are good to have in the garden as they attract bees. London's Pride, also called Fairy Crassula, is very pretty at the moment, with its starry fairy flowers. It is pretty when planted en masse. This one is in the shade at the base of a maple tree.